So the ACV policies, there's really nothing. It's not a whole lot you can't do about that, right? I mean, they just pretty much have to pay whatever else out of their own pocket, right?
Finance it. So I would get with maybe Green Sky or something like that. And it's like, Mrs. Jones, especially if the roof is just shot, you're like, your roof is like, I hate that you're in this position, and you definitely after this will want to talk to your insurance company to get your policy changed to an RCV, which is replacement cost value, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you're kind of in a between a rock and a hard place here. And here's what I would tell my customer: I say, look, I'm going to work to get as many things approved as humanly possible. So if I see damage to your fence, I'll try to get them to pay to power wash it and stain it, and we can put that money toward the roof. Or if I see that you've got a bird feeder that's got dings on it, or a barbecue cover, we'll try to get as many things as humanly possible just to get that coverage as high as we can. But it's super easy. Like, why don't we just finance the rest of it? You need a new roof. Insurance company's still giving you a coupon, even though it's only a couple $1,000s toward it. Like, that's pretty sweet in the grand scheme of things. So, put them through Green Sky. They can do same as cash for like a year, or maybe put them on like an 18-month plan, and maybe it only costs them a couple $100 a month, $200 a month for the next year to pay for it, right?
Yeah.
So again, this
Okay.
comes, you've got to be a good salesperson.
So it sounds like I have to retake your accelerator program. It's got a lot of these questions that I'm asking are on there.
Definitely.